Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in so you control deletions and privacy, but anonymous uploads work for quick shares. Once signed in, prepare images, JPG, PNG, or GIF, and ensure sizes meet limits. Now open Imgur or the mobile app, click New Post, then drag and drop files or tap Browse to pick images. You do this first to initiate the upload session. It creates a draft post where you'll manage the next steps. Once the files upload, arrange them in the order you want. Albums keep related images together. You should add concise titles, clear descriptions, and alt text for accessibility so others know context. Use Imgur's editor to crop, rotate, or trim animated GIF. Make basic adjustments to reduce file size if needed. Make sure to set visibility, public for community, hidden for link only, private for drafts, because visibility. You finish by clicking Post or Done, then copy the direct image link, embed code, or album URL for sharing. After publishing, manage content from your profile, delete, rename, or move images into new albums as needed. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Retry the upload, confirm the file format and size, and clear browser cache or try another network. If you still fail, switch to the mobile app or re-export the file at a smaller size and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.